My name is Dana Carlevale, and I'm the Stamping Production Analyst and Scheduler at Lordstown Motors. I've been a part of the team at Lordstown Motors since September 2020. When I started here, it was only a few hundred people employed, and to see the growth and achievement with just those few numbers is really incredible, and I can't wait to see what we can do full scale and capacity. The vision of the Voltage Valley and the culture of Lordstown Motors is something that I really appreciate. I'm motivated by the everyday learnings and the problem solving and the new experiences. I really enjoy and love working with my team. My grandfather was the 13th employee hired here at this facility. For me to be here earlier on when everything's starting up and getting to go, it's cool that through the generations, it's still a part of my family, and hopefully it will continue to be a part of my family.